Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Health Reset. Here we bring you the best tips on health, wellness and living well. Let's dive in. 5 tips to keep your back strong as you age. No more back pain drama. First, exercise and move a little. Each day. As we get older, our backs start to act up. So don't just sit around waiting for back pain to knock on your door. Just 30 minutes of exercise each day is enough to keep that back nice and steady. Stick with simple, rhythmic movements like walking, yoga or swimming, and you'll feel the difference. And don't forget to boost your calcium and vitamin D intake for strong bones and a happy spine. 2. Keep a healthy weight. Every extra pound puts strain on your back. Don't think that a little extra weight doesn't matter. The more you weigh, the more pressure on your back, which can even cause spinal misalignment. So, keeping in shape isn't just about looking good, it's also about helping your back stay pain-free. Keep it light and easy, so your back doesn't have to complain. 3. Heat therapy. A hot pack is your best friend. If your back is hurting or feels stiff, don't forget your golden friend, the hot pack. Just place it on your back, and within minutes your muscles will relax and you'll feel so much better. Plus, it helps improve blood circulation. It's a simple, effective trick you can rely on. 4. Quit smoking. For a strong back, don't let cigarettes weaken it. Smoking doesn't just mess up your lungs, it also messes with your back. Cigarettes damage the arteries and discs in your spine, cutting off blood flow and nutrients to your vertebrae. This makes your back more prone to injury and pain. So, for the sake of your health and your back, it's time to quit smoking. 5. Fix your posture. Sit, stand, and lie down the right way. Give your back some love by keeping good posture. Sit with a straight back. Stand tall with your shoulders back. Don't slouch over your work, and don't twist yourself into awkward sleeping positions. Maintaining good posture isn't just comfortable, it also keeps your back strong and helps avoid those annoying back pains as you age. Conclusion: hopefully, with these tips, your back will stay happy and won't give you any more trouble. Take good care of your back, because a strong back means a strong life for years to come. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.